Rajanuta Taranikula Sanjata, son of sun god. Taranikula Sanja, it's not Dharanikula. We have to sing correctly. Taranikula Sanjata Dharanitanaya here. Sometimes in books also they printed some mistakes. In Intakananandamemi, Intakananandamemi, O Rama Rama, Santa Janula Kella, Santa Janula Kella, Sammati Yundugani, Santa Janula Kella. It is not Santa Janula. First of all, we have to correct Santa Janula. If we write in Tamil, in the, we have to pronounce it Santa. That is correct. Santa Janula. Not like that. Santa Janula Kella. In book, Santa Janula Kolla. There is it. It's there. Santa Janula. Somebody sang. My friend sang. Oh, he followed. It is not his mistake. He followed the book. And he wrote very clearly. He was saying that is Kella. No, Kolla, there is Kolla. Kolla means Santa Janula. Santa Janula. No, it's not correct. I know the meaning. So I can tell him. No, it's not Kolla. It is Santa Janula Kella Illa. Ellam. Santa Janula. All the to all the learned people, that is the meaning there. Santa Janulakella Sammatiye Undugan. That is the meaning. We have Mahapranams. We have to follow the Mahapranams. Mahapranam means Papa, Baba, like that. Bhagavata. It's not difficult, very difficult. We can say Bhagavata. Sometimes we are saying in some other place. For Pa, we are saying Bha. Bhagavata. Brova Bharama. Brova Bharama. Sing it. Raghurama. Brova Bharama.
Brova Bharama.
Bha. That is Bha. Bharama.
Bharama.
Brova Bharama.
Brova Bharama.
Like that. Sing.
Brova Bharama.
Okay. It's correct. Bhagavata Gre. Bhagava. Sing. Bhagava. It's not Bhagava. Bhagava. Bhagavata Gre.
Bhagavata.
Okay. It's good. Can you sing Marugelara? Marugelara. Don't see this paper. You know Marugelara? Don't see this paper.
Marugelara.
It's not K. Marugelara. It's not Marugelara. Marugelara. Marugelara.
Marugelara.
That is Ga.
O Raghava.
Ragha. O Raghava. Again.
Marugelara. O Raghava.
Then Marugela
Marugela Chara Rupa. Marugela Chara Rupa.
Parat Para Surya Sudha.
Parat Para Surya Sudha.
Sudha Karalochana.
Sudha Karalochana. Maruge.
Here I want to tell something. You can take breath in some at some part. Parat Para. Take breath. Sing.
Parat Param.
Surya Sudha Kara.
सूर्य सुधाकरं
लोचना मरुगेलरा
लोचना
Sing once again.
मरुगेलरा
परात् पर
परात्पर सूर्य सुधाकर
नो सुधाकर
सुधाकर लोचना
once again
परात्पर सूर्य सुधाकर लोचना
once again Marugela one part is Marugela Charachara Rupa Paratpara Sudhakara Lochana. Then I will sing Marugela Charachara Rupa Paratpara Surya Sudhakara Lochana Marugelara. Sing it.
Marugela chara
No Marugela Charachara
Marugela chara rupa Marugela chara rupa Marugela chara rupa Paratpara Surya Sudhakar
No
Surya Sudhakara Lochana Marugela.
Is it good? Is it good?
Marugela charachara rupa Marugela charachara rupa Paratpara Surya Sudhakara Lochana Marugela.
அவ்வளவு பிரீத் இல்லைன்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பிரீத் அவ்வளவு இருந்தா ஓகே, ஒரே மூச்சில் எல்லாம் பாட முடியும்னா நமக்கும் ரெஸ்ட் கிடைக்காது, கேட்கறவனுக்கும் ஈஸியா இருக்காது, அது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டப்படும். மருகேல சராச்சர ரூப பர சூரிய சுத நாட் நெசரி. மருகேல சராச்சர ரூப பர சூரிய சுதாகர லோச்சனா மருகேலரா. Like that. Par. Then we can take from Samam also. Parasurya, that is there in the composition. Parasurya Sudha, like that. After finishing that Anupallavi, Parat, we can take it from Para. Parat Surya Sudhakara Lochana Marugelara O Raghava Marugela. Okay. Then can you sing Bantu Riti? Anybody?
ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ.
Anupallavi.
తుంట వింటివాని మొదలైన మద తుల కొట్టినెల తుల చేయుని జబంటు రీతి కోలు.
Normally we listen this kirtanam Banduriti, Banduriti, like that. Panduriti. Pandu means Padam. Pandu means Padam. Bantu means servant. Banturiti Koluviya. Bantu is correct. Panduriti Kulata. It's wrong. Because there is only one letter for Papa Baba. Ba. P for Ba, you can sing Ba, Pa in anything. Banturiti Koluviya. Then Banturiti Koluviya. Not like that. Banturiti Koluviya Rama Banturiti కొలువియవయ్య. సీతాపతే, యు నో సీతాపతే? సీతాపతే నా మనసున సిద్ధాంతమని యున్నానురా సీతాపతే. దెన్ ఎనీబడి కెన్ యూ sing? Usual practice. First I am singing usual practice. Vata, it's good. Vatatmaja dulachantane ye. Vatatmaja dulachantane ye. Vatatmaja dulachantane ye. Vatatmaja dulachantane ye. వర్ణించిన నీ పలుకులెల్ల, వర్ణించిన నీ పలుకులెల్ల. ఇట్స్ గుడ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ గుడ్? గుడ్. వాతాత్మజాదుల చంతనేయే. వాతాత్మజాదుల, వాతాత్మజాదుల is one word. Vatatmaja dulachanta, strong. Vatatmaja dulachantane. Vatatma, sometimes dulachanta, they are singing. Vatatmaja dulachanta. It's very horrible. Dula means itching in Telugu. We should not say it also. We should not say that word. Vatatmajadula chantane varninchina నీ పలుకులెల్ల, వర్ణించిన నీ పలు உன் பேச்சுக்கள். அப்படி அர்த்தம் நமக்கு ஈஸியா மனசுக்கு வரும். பாஷை தெரியாட்டாலும் அர்த்தம் வந்து நமக்கு நேச்சுரலாக வந்துடும். வாதாத்ம பாட்டு அர்த்தம் பாருங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியும், பாஷையே தெரிய வேண்டாம். వాదాత్మజాదుల చంతనే వర్ణించిన నీ పలుకులెల్ల, వర్ణించిన నీ పలుకులెల్ల. సీతాపతే నా మనసున సిద్ధాంతమని, సిద్ధాంత, not like that, సిద్ధాంతమని. Sometimes we elongate the letter. సిద్ధాంత, not like that. సిద్ధాంతమని యున్నాను రా. Even that ra should not be splitted. సిద్ధాంతమని యున్నాను రా సీతాపతే, రా సీతాపతే, రా సీతాపతే. That word should be sung in one breath. What is this? The words you expressed it before Hanuman and others. Sitapade na manasuna siddhantamani nammi unnanu. Vatatma, the words you expressed it before Hanuman and others. Why should you be afraid in this world? Abhayam, நான் தான் அபயம் கொடுக்கிறேன். அபயம் சர்வபூதேபியோ ததாமி ஏதத் விரதம் மமா அப்படின்னு ராமன் சொன்ன வார்த்தைகள், அதுவே சித்தாந்தமாக நான் நம்புறேன். ஐ பிலீவ் தோஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு மீனிங். அது அந்த மீனிங் தெரிஞ்சு பாடினா இன்னும் கேட்குறவாளும் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ண முடியும், நாமளும் ஒரு சந்தோஷம் இருக்கும். அப்படியே பாட்டாக பாடினா நல்லா இருக்காது, அது பாட்டாக இருக்கும். We should be sung properly. Vatatmaja, every word should be clear. Then sometimes ka ga, if we sing ga, it is positive, very dangerous aspect. Ka means negative. See, Ma Janaki, you know Ma Janaki? మా జానకి చిట్టబట్ట మహారాజు వైతి. యు నో ఎనీబడి సార్? మా జానకి చట్టబట్టగా, దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. నో, they are afraid of singing. మా జానకి చెట్టబట్టగా మహారాజు వైతి. By taking the hand of our Janaki, Sitama, you have become great and famous. మా జానకి చెట్టబట్టగా మహారాజు వైతి. That is the meaning. మా జానకి చెట్టబట్టగా means negative. Without taking the hand of Sitama, you have become like that. What a difference between two statements. వాతాత్మజాదుల no. మా జానకి చెట్టబట్టగా మహారాజు వైతి. దట్ ఈస్ చెట్టగా. కథలు తమ్ముని ఇన్ ఆడమూడి గలదే రామయ్య. కథలు తమ్ముని బల్కగా చేసింది. కథలు తమ్ముని some in our places, in Andhra itself, they sing, oh, Kadalu Tammuni is wrong. Kathalu Tammuni. They are singing. Kathalu Tammuni means stories. Stories. Katha means story. That is wrong. Kadalu Tammuni, moving brother. The Lakshmana is coming with Rama. Kadalu Tammuni. That is correct. Katha, not Kathalu Tammuni, or Gadalu Tammuni. Gada means Gada. Weapon. Gada. కథలు తమ్ముని, ఇది బోత్ ఆర్ రాంగ్. కథలు తమ్ముని బల్క చేసింది. సమ్టైమ్స్ పలికి ఇన్ సంధి ఆల్సో, సంధి దెర్ ఇస్ సంధి ప్లస్. తల్లి ప్లస్ తండ్రి, తల్లిదండ్రి. ఇన్ యూసేజ్ ఇన్ లిటరేచర్ తల్లిదండ్రి. దే రైట్ దండ్రి ఇన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. ఇన్ బుక్స్ ఆల్సో దే గివ్ V mark on top. V mark for tha. They write tha, and there will be V mark. So we have to sing da. Talli dandri, no, not that. Talli tandrulu bhakti. While singing, we have to pronounce properly. Same word. Sometimes. Talli tandri. Paliki, baliki. Baliki means bali, that you know bali. Paliki means to utter. Paliki. Paluka ve meena daivama paluka. Sometimes in between there would be paliki. Paliki yurakunda, that what is that karti? Paliki yurakunda na. This one. Kanta judu mi ఒక పారిక్రీ కంట చూడుమి పలికియు, దెన్ బలికి. We should not sing that, not better. One more example for that elongation. ఎందుకు పేదల, that is పెద్దల. పేదల ఎందుకు పెద్దల వలె బూతి. We can sing like this.